Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Tech Pro. Have you ever worried about losing important files due to computer crash, accidental deletion or even malware? Well, fear not. Today we are diving into the world of backups with AOMEI Backupper. Ever wanted to upgrade your hard drive to a blazing fast SSD or simply create an exact copy of your entire system for safekeeping? AOMEI Backupper is the best choice. It allows you to backup and restore your files, folder or entire disk. Download this software by clicking on download button. After download, install this software and after installation launch this and you will see the interface like this. In the home page we have two options, new backup and new sync. And if I click on backup icon, here we have different backup options like system backup. You can easily backup your Windows, disk backup, partition backup, files backup, email backup, Outlook backup and cloud backup. You can easily backup your complete hard disk or one partition, or you can easily backup your files or folders. Next we have sync icon. You can easily synchronize files between computers or from one drive to another location such as USB drive or external hard drive. Next we have restore icon. You can easily restore your backup files. And next we have clone option. These powerful tools let you create a complete mirror image of your hard drive, including your operation system, programs, settings, and all your precious files. And if I click on tools icon, here we have different usable tools. Now let's start with backups. You can easily backup your hard drive, partition, or files. I want to backup one of my precious folder. You can add whole folder or you can add files. I want to add folder, click on add folder and select the folder and select the location where you want to backup and click on start backup. And here you have to wait for a moment and it depends on the size of the folder. And done. The current operation has been completed and here you can see your backup. And next we have synchronize option. Here we have different options like basic sync, real-time sync, mirror sync and two-way sync. I will go with basic sync. You can synchronize files between computers or from one drive to another location. Select the folder here and choose the destination and click on start sync. Wait a minute here and it's done. You can see your basic syncs are here. And next we have restore option. You can easily restore your backups. All your backups and synchronized data will show here. Select the backup and click on next. Then select the folder. You can restore your backup on the original location or you can set a new location. Then click on start restore and it's done. The next we have clone option. You can migrate from HDD to a high-speed SSD to simply switch over without reinstalling Windows. Here we have three options: system clone, disk clone and partition clone. I want to transfer my partition data from one drive to another. Here you can see I have three drives, C, E and F. And I want to clone my F drive to my external hard drive. Let me connect my external hard drive and here you can see it has connected and I want to clone my F drive to G drive. Click on partition clone and select the partition that you want to clone and click on next and select the destination place to save the source partition and then click on next. After the operation, the partition G will be overwritten or deleted. Click on OK and click on next. And here you can see your source partition and destination partition. Confirm it and click on start clone. And wait a few minutes. And it's done. The current operation has been completed. Let me show you my both drives. I have cloned my F drive to G drive. Let me show you the whole data. You can see all folders has been cloned. And there you have it. AOMEI Backupper disk clone features. Migrating your data or creating system backup is a breeze. No more worrying about lengthy reinstalls or lost files. Link of this software is available in the video description. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.